Hi everyone, this is Brian Otani with the Week 17 California Cherry Update. This past week, Jessica, myself, and the Fresh Pacific QC team have visited all growing regions throughout California. The Maricopa, Patterson, and Lodi areas are looking promising, while Arvin and Middle Earth are spotty. Volume will be light at the beginning of May, but by the end of May and throughout June, there will be plenty of cherries. This week, temperatures will increase throughout all growing regions, bringing on maturity. The highly anticipated California cherry crop estimate was released late last week at 8.7 million boxes. All of us at Fresh Pacific are looking forward to a great California cherry season, and we hope you are too. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.